Tired of complicated online payments? I'm about to show you how to potentially link your Paysafecard to PayPal. First, head over to PayPal and log into your account. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection for this. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet option or a section labeled bank accounts and cards. It's usually found on the main dashboard. Sometimes under settings, this is where you manage your payment methods. Click on the option to link a bank account or link a card even though you're using Paysafecard. This is the general area to add payment sources. Now, here's the catch. Directly linking Paysafecard as a card isn't always possible. PayPal's policies and geographical restrictions often prevent this direct connection. A common workaround is purchasing PayPal credit using your Paysafecard through a third-party service or retailer that accepts Paysafecard. Look for reputable sellers online for gift cards using Paysafecard. After you get your code from a reseller or retailer, redeem that balance in your PayPal and you're all set to spend it where you like. Remember to always check for any fees associated with buying third-party credit. Be aware of geographical limitations and verify all terms and conditions before proceeding. Good luck and happy shopping!